Welcome to ARBOR's new line of industrial touch monitors. The OFM series is part of our OpenFrame series, which is ideal for seamless system integration. There are a variety of screen sizes available, ranging from 7 inches to 17 inches, to meet the different requirements of applications. High luminance and wide viewing angles ensure clear visibility in all series. Even when wearing gloves, you can enjoy a smooth touchscreen experience. I/O support includes HDMI and VGA inputs. It has function buttons to adjust the components of the panel. The series of monitors offers a slim bezel design that is ideal for a wide variety of applications. The most important feature of our OFM series displays is flexibility. From touchscreens to mechanical design, scalers, and firmware, everything can be tailored according to the customer's specific requirements. The OFM series device is poised to revolutionize connectivity solutions, enabling businesses to stay linked and increase efficiency as never before. Wide-ranging applications include control panels in intelligent factories, touchscreens for self-service kiosks in retail, point-of-care testing, HMIs for self-service payment machines in public transportation, and information displays for professionals. Please subscribe and get your free quote today.